It's too deep.
Yeah. And then this is the last building up here on this site.
So where do we begin?
Got a lonely ore bin, which is now an island, because it's completely inaccessible to get over to now. That beautiful valley down there. If you listen closely, you might be able to hear like a stream in the background, which runs right through the middle of this tiny mining camp.
Mining camp, yeah. So where do we begin?
Let's begin at the start.
Where's the start? Here or over there?
We just started here, so let's start here.
Let's start here. Let's take a look. First one.
First building, there is a lot of water everywhere.
Well, that's the water we can hear because it's
Yeah.
a stream of something. But, oh, there's railway. Railway.
Some ore car tracks,
Ore car tracks.
couple pair. And into, I guess, yeah, workshop area. So they end right at where, I guess this is where you could do some repairs to them and whatnot.
Not a lot. Not
Nope.
a lot left.
Nice sheeting, still in good, wood, still in decent shape.
Yeah. This is the water we can hear.
Yeah, so it's got to be, yeah, there's huge pipes coming out, so that. It totally is.
Well, if there's all that water, that means the mine is totally flooded
Oh yeah.
and stinks. Oh my. Whoops. Yeah, it's too deep.
Yeah. And there's a lot coming out of here.
And it stinks.
It does.
That's a shame. I'm surprised because they've gated it and the gates...
Yeah, the gate's wide open. There's no evidence of any locks or anything. Huh.
Okay, second building. So there's nothing left. Just, it's been stripped.
Oh, big time.
There's loads of nails up with names. Now, whether or not they're the real names of the miners,
Oh, wow, yeah.
and then Kilroy was here, he gets everywhere.
So then this would have been like a little bunkhouse?
I don't know, what's that?
I have no idea. It's just like a concrete box.
Oops. What should I go? I don't know.
Because, I mean, it isn't very big, only the 3 rooms.
I wouldn't have thought it was a bunkhouse. Maybe like a, well, I was going to say maybe a wash house, but I can't see any evidence of...
No, any piping or anything around.
Strange. Huh. Interesting.
And then there's not much left to this structure here.
Has there been a fire in there? Or is that just the coloration of the wood?
There could have been a fire. I'll tell you what, these are all core samples lining the floor in here. That does kind of look a bit charred, this wall here. But the wood, I don't know, it's a bit weird because if it was, they put it out quickly.
Well, maybe something caught fire if it was like an assay.
Yeah, the
Assays?
assay office.
Yeah.
That's what this side looks like it could be. There was remnants of where a sink would be.
So maybe that's what happened.
Wow, here's some bags.
We'll take a look at that trailer in a minute.
Yes, it's a completely demolished trailer.
You can see the old mining road that goes way, 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 way up
Yeah.
to upper workings.
And then this is the last building up here on this site. That's got, what is this over here? It's like got a radiator. Little porch out here. Compressor, is this a, oh, this could be like a fridge. Is this all
Mangled.
all mangled? Yeah, might be a fridge. Can't really tell. Okay, wow, there's still some piping and electricity all through this one. Large all cement base.
So what would this room have been?
What's in here? Okay, you got, oh, I think this is the washroom. I think this would be where you could have, yep. There you go, there's your shower heads.
Oh, okay, so 2 showers with soap.
Yeah, see, I thought it was on the other side. I was looking through and saw the piping.
So where would the toilets be?
I think the toilets would be at this other side then. Keep all the plumbing in the same spot.
Well, you've got basins, 2 basins.
Yep, and there's the remains of a toilet back
And there's
there.
yeah. Maybe 2 toilets then.
Could possibly be. Here we are. See, there's just not much left at all. This trailer's been completely demolished. Blown to bits.
And that little travel trailer thing on top.
And then right, that would have been an old school slide in. Yeah. Nothing much going on in there either. Found this little building all on its lonesome. So I would imagine, since it's built with cinder block and that door, this would be the dynamite storage. Is it open? Looky here. Rat's nest. Oh yeah, you can smell the rats in here for sure. So I believe that's what this would be. No smoking. Dynamite storage room. You got some venting at the back corner and venting up at the top. Nice. I think there's one more. There we go. Shut just like I found it. I think there's one more thing to see further on down.
It actually smells. It's actually really bad.
Yeah.
It's the rat and mice poop, isn't it?
I think that's human.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
And then the shower. What's left of the shower?
Well, we
Yeah,
know this place has been abandoned since at least 1990 because that's the earliest graffiti I've seen. So this would be the kitchen. So you've got the bathroom opposite the kitchen. And then this would have been the rec room. And you're at 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. But what's this?
Somebody's just chucked that through the wall.
I know. Got a single bed in there. Yeah, and this would have been their, kind of rec room. Chill out. I can't find any dates on any of those papers. I don't want to dig too much because of the hantavirus. And that's it.